Hello everyone and welcome back to this epic journey across India. And right now I am in Mumbai, and ever since I was a kid I've watched documentaries about this place. Mumbai's legendary Dhobi Ghat. And finally I will be seeing it today with my own eyes. And welcome to the Mahalakshmi Dhobi Ghat, one of the world's largest open air laundries. More than 700 Dhobi families have worked here for generations. Every day, around 100,000 pieces of clothing are washed here by hand. Hotels, hospitals, homes. Now, if it's fabric and in Mumbai, chances are that it has been washed here at least once. And just look at these endless rows of clothes. They are like Mumbai's own version of colorful flags. What's amazing is that the Dhobis rarely lose track of whose clothes are whose, even without modern tags. Now, their system is a mix of memory, markings, and generations of experience. Now, this place has become one of the tourist attractions, and they have actually built a viewpoint from where you can stand and get the complete view of the place. Now, it's not just washing, everything is done here: drying, sorting, ironing, a full laundry ecosystem running almost entirely by hand. I used to think that Dhobi Ghat was just a tourist spot because I saw it in travel shows, but being here, it's so much more. It's a gentle reminder of how much Mumbai's daily life runs because of people whose work often goes unseen. Now, this traditional method hasn't changed for decades. The Dhobis beat the clothes against the stone slab to remove the dirt. The same technique I remember watching in those childhood documentaries. There's such a strong sense of community here. Now, many workers have lived here since childhood, skills passed from one generation to the next, like an open air university of laundry. Now, some modern machines have made their way in, but the heart of Dhobi Ghat is still human hands and hard work. So that was my long awaited visit to Dhobi Ghat, a place I first saw on screen as a child and finally experienced for real. Now, if you enjoyed this little dive into Mumbai's living heritage, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know which iconic place I should explore next. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.